The master ensuite is so grand.
We have holes in the ceiling.
We're taking it to the next level. This is quite possibly my favourite ensuite that we have ever done.
We have now reached the halfway mark of the build, and at this stage there are many inspections taking place to ensure everything is on track. Then the walls get sheeted with the plasterboard, and this finally gives us a true feeling of the size of the rooms. The master suite is upstairs on the northwest corner of the home. It features a spacious ensuite and a walk-in robe.
The master ensuite is so grand and so open, and we're putting in this beautiful freestanding bath smack bang in the middle of the room. It is the focal point in this bathroom. The main floor tile in the ensuite will be a timber look tile, similar in colour to this, and we're going to lay it in a chevron pattern just to create more interest. We're going to include this gorgeous green feature tile behind the bath and on the largest of the shower walls. Although we've used different tiles to the main bathroom and the guest ensuite, we know that it's all going to work because we're keeping the stone bench tops and the gold tapware consistent throughout. There are 2 north-facing windows in this master bedroom, which means that they bring in so much natural light all day long. And because it's a master bedroom, we like to have a bit of fun with colour, keep things a bit moody, so we will put some colour in this bedroom. Internal wall colour. No big deal, you've just got to put it on every wall in the house. It's easy, right?
I know, it's got to look great in north, south, east and west.
No pressure.
Every room.
Yep, great. So I just selected our top 3 go-to whites, but now we've got to narrow it down.
So far in this room and this light, this one's looking a little bit grey to me. We don't want grey in this home. So those 2 are my choice so far.
Okay.
But let's see these samples in some other rooms and in different light. Okay, so we've tried it in 3 different rooms now. Every single room, they all looked different.
It's incredible, the different lighting, which is why we do samples that we can move around rather than just putting the paint on the walls.
For me, this one's nice and clean and fresh.
It is.
It'll go with our other colours that are in the home and the style of the home.
Yeah, I feel like these 2 have got a slight grey undertone.
Yes.
So I'm with you. We go with that one.
Let's have a look. Crisp white.
Great. Okay, so Sarah and I have already had a bit of a play around with things at my house, and we've decided to go with Taubman's Crisp White.
And it's perfectly neutral.
Yes.
What feature colours were you thinking you'd like to bring into this home?
I wanted to do this little feature on the main wall in the master bedroom and just paint that green. Can we do that?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
that's perfect. I can mark that up on the plan for you.
Okay, and the colour we're looking at is Taubman's Lazy Days.
Perfect. Easy.
Great.
The lounge room is located downstairs in between the home office and the laundry. It's one of 3 lounge rooms in the home, and this one's designed to feel more cozy and more intimate. We've added additional soundproofing in the ceiling and 2 double doors.
The master bedroom is one of those rooms that we like to create a bit of mood in, and colour on the walls is such a cost-effective way to bring that moodiness and character into the space.
Now that you've selected your included colour, did you want to add in any additional feature paints?
Yes, we do. We're thinking the downstairs media lounge room, we want to bring a deeper, darker colour in that space. And we were also hoping to add some wainscoting into that room.
Absolutely, sounds like a plan.
Great.
What colours were you thinking of?
Have a guess.
Green.
Got it. So because I want the wainscoting, we're thinking wainscoting around the bottom in white, and then that grey heron around the top. It's going to obviously darken the room a bit and close it in, but because it's going to serve as a bit of a media room, a movie room at night, we thought that was a good fit for that room.
Don't kill my vibe, baby. I'm walking on the moon. Oh, oh, oh. I'm walking on the moon. Walk with me.
We really want the downstairs lounge room to serve 2 purposes. So it looks like a formal lounge room, but we've put the right acoustic properties and electrical provisions in place so at night it can transform into a home theatre. Because it's a home theatre, I think we need to use the opal board from Cineat.
Definitely, this has amazing acoustic properties. It helps stops the sound bouncing around the room. It absorbs the sound so we've got less transfer going out of the room.
It ticks all the boxes. Now, crazy idea for you, ceiling.
What have you got there, Heather?
I know. Right.
I see plasterboard with holes in it.
Correct, but you need those holes. The holes help absorb the sound even more, so it's like the perfect combination.
We are creating the ultimate home theatre.
Yes, we're taking it to the next level.
I was very, very nervous. I've never used it before. I don't know how holes are going to look in the ceiling, but Heather did show me some images and I'm confident that it will still look good, but the practicality side of things is well worth it.
Now these are the profiles. These were my two favourite ones, so what do you think?
Okay, I think the smaller squares, it's more in proportion with the room and is more suited to a home.
So we're going to go with this one on the ceiling
Yep.
and then this one on the walls for
The ultimate home theatre experience.
Yep.
The insulation you choose to use in your home isn't just important for the heating and cooling, but it's also important for noise reduction. So here in the media room, we've opted to use Fletcher's Sound Break, which helps to reduce the noise transfer from this room to other areas of the home. And we've also opted to use it in the flooring, so we can limit the noise transfer between the two levels of the home.
Upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with them.
When building and designing to sell, the final piece of the puzzle is the styling. It's what creates an emotional connection when the buyers come through. That's why we've partnered with our new best friends, Huntley & Co. Their DIY styling service allows us to choose our own styling pieces. We can choose a whole room or a few pieces, and the best part is we can complete this home just the way we imagined.
This is where the fun really begins. We've selected our larger items online. Now we're down in the showroom to choose our finishing touches like our cushions, lamps, and our styling pieces.
Now that we've had a bit of a wander, it's time to make the final choices. I've come prepared. I bought the carpet, the wall colour, and our furniture pieces.
Yes, it's so important that we bring these things with us. That helps us keep true to our mood board,
Yes.
stick to our style, not wander off, because it is very easy to get distracted in here. I have been here with you before, Heather. You're like my 8-year-old daughter, sees beautiful, pretty things on the shelf.
I do get easily distracted, which is why I come organised.
Yes, so I'm glad.
Yeah.
It's styling day and the guys from Huntley & Co are here. They're bringing in our furniture and styling pieces, and they even hang our artwork.
Remind me no one's got me like myself. Yeah, I love me without any help. I'm the best thing to believe in. So I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. 'Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off, when I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need nobody else. Yeah,
As we enter the master bedroom, we've created this step in the wall, which is the perfect place for a mirror and console table. And because the master bedroom receives so much north sunlight throughout the day to create a sense of warmth, we've also included sheer curtains in addition to the roller blinds to help control and filter the sunlight into the bedroom. Because the master bedroom is so wide, we chose to run our wainscoting vertically to create a sense of height in the space, and we've gone for this beautiful green colour because we felt it really suited that coastal farmhouse look. We love styling our bedrooms with linen, and in this room we chose a crisp white quilt cover from Cultivar, and then we've just added some pinstripe sheets and a warm throw and feature cushion just to bring some more warmth to the space. To complete the farmhouse look that we wanted in this master bedroom, we've hired this beautiful bedhead and bedside tables from Huntley & Co. And the finishing touch in this room is this rug. It picks up the tones of the carpet and the throw and the pillow on the bed and helps tie it all in. Now we've also included a huge walk-in robe behind me here, and then we come to the main event, the master ensuite. And this is quite possibly my favourite ensuite that we have ever done. The bath is certainly the hero of this master ensuite, and to show it off we've used these gorgeous green tiles that perfectly match the wall colour in the master bedroom. But because there were so many shapes and steps within this whole bathroom and it was really open, rather than using a feature tile here, there and everywhere, we chose this beautiful timber chevron pattern tile on the floors.
Where do I start with the lounge room? To me, it has so many standout features, right from those glass double doors that allow you to see straight through.
Yes, but you know what I think was unique is that we put the green up the top and the white down the bottom. And typically, putting a darker colour up the top closes the room in, but because the white wainscoting takes up more space, it doesn't close it in as much, but it's just enough to make it more formal.
It's dark and moody and calming and inviting all at the same time, and the earthy neutral tones in the styling just bring the whole room together.
It's a room that you want to go and sit in and spend time in.
I know I was a little bit nervous about the Cineat designer panel on the ceiling, but it turned out way better than I ever expected.
And you know, my favourite thing about that room is that we managed to make it look amazing, but it is so practical because that Cineat designer panel on the ceiling, the opal board on the walls, the soundbreak insulation from Fletcher, all of those things work together to make that a home theatre at night, but we've still managed to make it look and feel beautiful in there.
If this room doesn't tug on your heartstrings, then I don't know what will.
The two bedrooms are huge.
It's going to have such a sophisticated look and finish.
I want to go light.
Not only look beautiful, but add value to the home.